Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we are taking a closer look at the NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer kit. If you're into AI development, this powerful kit is a must-have for running modern AI workloads at an unprecedented size, power, and cost. Whether you're a developer, student, or hobbyist, the Jetson Nano allows you to run AI frameworks and models for applications like image classification, object detection, segmentation, and speech processing. What sets this developer kit apart is its extensive I/O, ranging from GPIO to CSI, making it simple for developers to connect a diverse set of new sensors to enable a variety of AI applications. And with its power-efficient design, consuming as little as 5 watts, you can rest assured you're using energy efficiently. The Jetson Nano is supported by NVIDIA Jetpack, which includes a board support package, BSP, Linux OS, NVIDIA CUDA, CUDA, and Tensor software libraries for deep learning, computer vision, GPU computing, multimedia processing, and much more. Plus, the software is available using an easy-to-flash South Dakota card image, making it fast and easy to get started. What's more, the same Jetpack SDK is used across the entire NVIDIA Jetson family of products, making it fully compatible with NVIDIA's world-leading AI platform for training and deploying AI software. This proven software stack reduces complexity and overall effort for developers. So, if you're looking to take your AI development to the next level, look no further than the NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer kit. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one today and start building the next big thing in AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials.